Make a great choice today with the 2019 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.